Welcome to this video, and in this video I will explain the question find the pivot integer. So given a positive integer n, we have to find the pivot integer x such that the sum of all the elements between 1 and x inclusively equals to the sum of all the elements between x and n inclusively. So let's check the first example, which is n equals to 8, okay, and the output is 6. So here in this question, what we will do, we will first calculate the total sum. Total sum will be calculated using the formula, this with this formula, and if you put the value of 8 in this formula, we'll get value 36. So we are using three variables, okay, left sum, right sum, and the total sum which is 36 in the right sum, okay. So in the first iteration for the 1, so left sum will be stored with 1 and right sum will be a total sum minus the left sum and the recent digit, okay, because see here in this question it is mentioned that inclusively sum of all the elements between 1 and x inclusively equals to the sum of all the elements between x and n, okay. And here also 1 to 6 should be equals to the 6 to 8. So this value should be common na. So we have to add in both the sections, left and right. So here is 36 and the left sum is 1. So it is not equal. For the second iteration, left sum will be 3 and the right sum will be 36 minus 3 and the plus 2 because this is the digit na, which should be added in the both section. So that is why this 2 and 2 should be added. So right sum is 35 and the left sum is 3, which is also not equal. So left sum is 6 and the right sum will be 33, which is also not equal. We'll proceed with the iteration 4. In iteration 4, left sum will be 10 and the right sum will be 30, which is also not equal. So in the iteration 5, the left sum will be 15 and the right sum will result to 26, which is also not equal. So we'll move to the iteration 6. In the iteration 6, left sum will result in 21 and the right sum will result in 21. So this will match, okay, and if this matches, then we will return the 6, okay. So let's move into the code. First we will create the variable total sum. In total sum, what was the formula? The formula was n into n plus 1 by 2. Int left sum equals to 0. For we'll start the for loop from 1 till less than equals to n. If left sum equals to right sum, we have to return I, else we have to return -1. Let's check. Okay, it has been submitted.